Taylor chlorine test kits. This one is the K2006. This one is the K2006C, C for commercial. Same exact things in each kit. You can do chlorine, pH, alkalinity, calcium hardness, cyanuric acid, and that's it. You get 22 mLs of each reagent in the 2006. You get 60 mLs of each reagent in the commercial version. Almost 3 times as much in here as in here. They give you a lot more of the powder, which is what you run out of pretty quickly when you're doing chlorine tests, and they give you much more of the cyanuric acid test, the reagent. Otherwise, same kit on Amazon currently, 2023, $80 for the K2006, $130 for the 2006C. Okay, $50 more for this one, definitely well worth it. K2006C, K2000. Better off buying this one.